Tonight, y'all, we're having chicken and rice, and I want another side to go with it. So I'm going to be cooking these Brussels sprouts that we got from Trader Joe's. I'm going to share with y'all an easy, simple recipe that you can use doing Brussels sprouts, fresh or frozen. Let's get started. Here's the cookbook we're going to be using. It's the old Betty Crocker cookbook, and it's from 1976 is when it was printed. And we're going to be using the recipe on page 420. I've used this cookbook a couple times, and some of y'all have even commented that you got it. It's just an older cookbook that don't take fancy ingredients. Back to the basics of cooking, just like our grannies did. This is what it calls for. Now I'm going to be adding a little cheese to mine. And if I add anything extra, I'll tell you while we're cooking. But if y'all want to snap a picture of the recipe, this is it. And this is how they're saying to do it, and what you get for how many servings you're trying to get. Now we're going to be using frozen Brussels sprouts, not fresh. Let's get started. And to go with our Brussels sprouts, I cooked chicken and rice in a cast iron skillet. It took around 40 minutes and our dinner was done. While I cooked the Brussels sprouts, my cast iron skillet done the work in the oven for me. If y'all'd like to see this recipe, comment down below. We just want to say a big thanks for watching our channel. Y'all don't forget to like them and subscribe if you hadn't already. And like always, we just want to say, happy cooking! Thanks for watching.